Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to invite someone to chat on Instagram. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your Instagram, and after that go to this icon right here and search for someone that you want to chat with. I'm gonna search for Zico/exe, for example. As you can see here, I'm gonna click on him, then click OK. And then you can invite this person to message you by clicking on this partition message right here. Then type anything in order to salute him or invite him to chat. And after typing, all you have to do is to click on send, and this person will receive this message in the request section as a notification, and after seeing it, if he is interested in chatting with you, he will answer you as soon as possible. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.